So, welcome back to Study with me, and now we'll go to the next question. What is meant by decentralization? State any 4 points that highlight the importance of decentralization. This is a very direct question, but not every time you will get such questions in your exam. So, without further ado, let's move. Centralization is a power where it is being given in few hands. The top management has the full power in centralization, whereas decentralization is where there is a systematic distribution of authority at all the levels of management. The decision making authority is being given by the top management to the lower levels of management. It is being done both at the middle as well as the lower level. This is a chain of command. Decision making, it goes in chain of command. Next, now, what is the mnemonic for this? D3FBR. First one, it develops initiative among subordinates. What happens? The middle and lower level management, they think the management is having trust in them. They are having, the management is confident in them. So, what happens? The employees, the subordinates are more confident and they start taking the decisions. They become more dynamic heads. Okay, that is, it develops initiative among the subordinates. The second one is it develops managerial talent for the future. Now, when an employee, when a subordinate is taking up this challenging position, doing his best according to his ability, according to his knowledge, what happens? He gets noted by his superiors. So, in case in future, if there is any managerial position vacant, then this employee is given the offer in order to become the superior, the head. So, what happens? The opportunity is being given to the trained manpower based on his talent and knowledge in real life situation. So, this is D2. Third one is quick decision making, which is D3. In this, what happens, since the decision making is not there just in the hands of the top management and it is being entrusted to all the managers at different levels, there is quick decision making. So when quick decision making happens, what happens? It improves the efficiency of the employees. The next one is facilitates growth. Now when the employees have to take decision, what happens? They have to make the best use of the productivity. So what happens when productivity is increased in an organization? There is scope for growth and development. More income is coming into the organization, so the organization expands. Next one, better control. What does it mean? When the employees are taking their own decisions and they are becoming accountable. What happens when delegation is happening? When it happens, accountable, the employees become accountable to the superiors, so they take up the responsibility. Since they are taking up this, what happens? The superior has to just get the feedback and then give them with the advanced options, if any. Just better control is there. Next one is it is a big yes to the top management. Now what happens? The superiors, they know that the subordinates has the capacity, the capability of taking up the action. So the act of freedom is given, and now what happens? Only for the big decisions where the employees find it difficult, they have to come to the superior. So decentralization, it makes all the levels of the management to become devoted employees. So, what is the acronym? D3FPR. Develops initiative, develops managerial talent, quick decision making, facilitates growth, better control, and it is a big relief to the top management. Now, I have a question to you. Now, what you have to do based on this concept, there is a case study given to you. You will analyze the case study and we will discuss this in the next topic. Let me give you a short gist of what is the case study about. It is about a person who is called as Harsh. He has Tiny Tots Limited. It is very economical toys. Economic, it is cheap toys, and these toys are being given for the Indian village market with 20 employees. During the initial years, the company did good, and now what happened? The demand has gone up. Now, what happened here is Harsh he thinks that the decision of the company is being dispersed through authority. He believes that the subordinates are competent. See, the manager, he thinks that the subordinates are competent, capable, and resourceful for the effective implementation. So he gives them the support to take the decisions. This, what it has caused? It has caused increase in production and expanded in product range, which means there is diversification, there is segmentation of the market. Now you have to identify what concept is being used here and how his company is being able to achieve what are the importance. So we'll discuss this in the next part. Till then, study with me, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification button. Give me a thumbs up if you think that I have helped you in learning, and post down the questions in the comment section about the topic that you want me to discuss in the next video. Till then, happy learning and continue study with me.